Hiya. So I was just going to go through the essential products, like really limiting everything in your makeup bag to the essential items that you need if you had to choose anything. Okay, so I'm going to show you what I've got in my favourite bag, which is my white one because my whole house is white, so it goes with everything in every room. So I'm going to show you exactly what I've got in here. Okay, so in the makeup bag, and it's hard for me obviously to limit everything because I've got so much makeup, but the first thing is essential makeup brushes. Okay, so just the ones you need, and I'm not going to show you what is in here because they are our new makeup brushes that are coming out hopefully in October, end of October, but you are going to want these. We've had so much feedback on our makeup brushes. These are the new and improved set. I'm not going to show you them yet, but they are the everyday makeup brushes that you need, the only ones that you will ever need in your makeup bag. Okay, so a really nice compact set of makeup brushes. The other thing is your foundation or your tinted moisturiser, okay, is a must. A concealer is a must. Yep, put these down. A bronzer is a must. A blusher, cream blusher, I always like the cream ones. A highlighter for your cheekbones. A brow tool of some sort. I like the brow mascaras or anything that you like to use. A decent mascara. An eyeliner, okay? And I've always got a deep dark brown one in my bag in case I don't fancy going as dark as black. Then browns are always really good, everyday colour, and I can just top it up for the evening if I want. And then lipstick. So if you're going to go for anything, I always go for a bright red, a red, and then I've got my neutrals that I use, a couple of neutrals. So what have I got there? 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12 things in my makeup bag that if I had to go live on a desert island, they would be the things that I take with me. How about you? What's your essential desert island makeup products? If you could only choose maybe 5 or 6 things, what would they be? Okay, take care, bye.